Tired of your food being burnt in some areas and barely cooked in others? Solve the problem before it starts by making an oven map, an easy way to see the heat distribution of your oven.
How?
Fill the biggest tray your oven can fit with sliced bread. Heat your oven to 350 degrees. Place your tray near the heat source, the bottom rack most likely, and wait for your bread to brown or burn, whichever really. After you remove the tray from the oven, snap a quick pic of your result. That is really even. Have the photo somewhere easily accessible. I like to keep mine right in front of the oven so I can see it anytime I bake. You'll go from saying to saying,
Yeah! Yeah!
now you can bake with confidence and enjoy the fruits or cookies of your labor.
That's pretty even, I have to say. My god, this is way more even than I expected.